always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astronori for another video. Today we're gonna go ahead and talk about this drop list for Supreme Week 9. We don't have the full collection yet, but I do know that there is a collaboration with South2 West8 or some shit like that. I'm guessing this is like a fishing company. Never heard of them before, but honestly, some of the pieces do look alright, and I feel like it's something that I would gravitate towards. I know that a lot of people aren't feeling this collaboration, but not everything is for everybody, you feel me? That's just the way things roll. If you do end up enjoying this video, man, go ahead and slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video, and don't forget to subscribe down below. We're like 112 away from 18,000 subscribers, and I need your help, bro. I need your help, Dora looking ass. I need y'all to go ahead and go down there and subscribe. The sub count is right up here. Once we get to 20,000 subscribers, I'm gonna give away either a pair of Jordans or a box logo. Literally, you guys are gonna choose once I get to 20K. So go ahead and subscribe, and hey, let's go ahead and get straight into this video. So you already know what to do, man. Let's get straight to it. All right, so now we back and we about to go ahead and talk about this collab. There are a couple items that I think are actually pretty cool, but maybe it's just my personal taste. I do love the item that isn't part of the collab, and it is the Seiko marathon clock. This is almost like a digital watch. I know that the brand Seiko does kind of cost a little bit more than just an average alarm clock. This one is pretty fire though. I think you can listen to music on this. I'm not pretty sure, but if you do know, let me know in the comments. This watch right here is probably gonna go for like $80 to $90, and honestly, if I could pick it up, I definitely will. I could see me putting this as a part of like my editing setup or some shit like that. Like I have my little computer on the side, have my little watch, and a couple other Supreme accessories on the side as well. I think that would be pretty sick, but I don't know as of yet if this is something that I'll end up going for. The watch is one of the items that I saw when there was first leaks coming out about the season, and I thought it was pretty sick from the beginning. So it's honestly one of the pieces that if the retail isn't too high, I will gravitate towards it. Resale is probably going to be like 30-40 on top, nothing too major on this item. But next up, we got the South2 West8 Tenkara fishing rod. Honestly, I don't do too much fishing, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. This piece does look pretty solid. I don't know if it's something that I would personally go for, but for my fishing boys out there, this might be something that you're a fan of. I don't even see how you could turn the lure on this or anything like that, so I don't know how this would work, to be honest. It does look like a clean piece for those fishermen out there. Personally, I'm gravy on that piece. We got the heavy mesh game bag, which once again I think is pretty fire. I do like the design that they have going on this. Is almost like this barbed wire feel on it, and I think it's pretty sick. I like the multicolored one. It almost has like this temperature feel to it, like you know how when you look at the map of how hot it's about to be, that's what this shit looks like to me. So I think it's pretty cool. I don't know, maybe that's just me. Next up, we got the long sleeve, which once again I feel like it's another fire piece. It's subtle, bro. Like not a lot of people will like this type of shit, but I think it's pretty fire. It gives me like vintage vibes coming from Supreme. I don't know why, but this design on the back with the barbed wire is actually pretty sick to me. Maybe that's just me. You have the different Supreme spell out on the sleeves as well, which is pretty hard. Right here you do have the colorways. These almost give me like Carhartt vibes, especially with the brown colorway. I think that one's pretty fire, as well as the black one. And this like tealish green is alright, but personally I wouldn't see myself wearing that if I'm being honest. This pair of River Trek pants, I love them, but I do wish that they were skinnier pants. Like if they were a little bit more fit, I personally would have went for these right here. I love the fact that you could turn them into shorts. That's pretty sick in my opinion. And this like multicolor woodland camo design is fire, bro. You got like some hearts on it. These pants are fire. I don't know about y'all, but I've been getting into pants lately, and this is a fire pair of pants. Like these are hard body. I love the black ones, but I equally love the multicolor ones. I like the fact that you could turn them into shorts as well. That's pretty clean. This jacket is hard. The ones that match the little pair of pants or whatever you want to call it, those are hard. This jacket right here is a banger. I don't know if y'all liking this shit, but this multicolored camo jacket is vibes, bro. Like I would definitely go ahead and go for that piece. I do like the fact that you could turn this long sleeve jacket into a short sleeve shirt. I don't know how the fuck, but you can convertible the fucking sleeves and the hood off of this shit and make it a shirt. That's fire in itself, bro. Like the fact that you got a shirt jacket, just think about that. Who else can say that they have a fucking shirt jacket in their arsenal? Like let's be realistic, but this multicolored piece is fire. I do do like the black one as well. It's more subtle and wearable. I think that shit goes. I don't know about y'all, but we got the jungle hat, which is honestly nothing I would pick up. This is like a boonie type hat, and it has multicolored, the same colors as the other shit. We good on that. Then you got the fleece jacket, which in black is a vibe, bro. I don't know how y'all sleeping on this shit. This is fire to me. It's just something different than what Supreme normally does, and I think I can appreciate that more than the average consumer. I do like that black one, and the yellowish is fire as well. I don't know if it's reversible or what, but they show the black pair on one side, or maybe that's just another colorway. Then they have that black barbed wire, which is honestly my favorite. I feel like it's a little bit too loud for me to wear it, but it just looks appealing in my opinion. You got this bush parka. It's almost like a shirt with like a big ass hood on it. It almost reminds me of the CDG collab that was kind of like see-through, if I'm not mistaken. That's I'm good on those. Then you got the see-through pantalones, bruh. If you trying to be out here stunting your piece, this is for you. Like, who the fuck is buying see-through pants? Like, shit, you feel me? You could rock out with the cock out if you try and do it, but personally, this is a fire vibe. If you're in Miami Beach just trying to stunt your piece and see what you're working with, hey, that's for you right there. We got the matching vest as well. The black one is like this see-through vest. Then you got the Woodstock hippie colorway. Like, I'm good on the Woodstock hippie joint. Last up, we got two more pieces, one of them being the Balaclava, which this shit look like it got a Bonte on the front. Look at this shit, bro. It's like a hat with a Bonte right here. We good on that shit. And then you literally got like a fucking piece of fabric. This shit don't got no structure. This hat literally is fucking flimsy. You can tell that this shit is like, yo, we got some extra material, slap a logo on that bitch, let's call it a hat. Like, nah, we good on that shit. I see why it's at the bottom of the list, but low-key, that pretty much does it for what we got so far. If y'all enjoyed any of these pieces, go ahead and let me know in the comments below. Leave a like on this video if you would like more content like this. Also, let me know what you're gonna be going for this week. Are you excited to see what other drop list items they're gonna be? Because honestly, I don't know what's going on with this collab. There are a couple pieces that I do like, so if the retail is good on them, I probably would go for it. I just don't know if I'm trying to break the bank this week. Honestly, if I don't get the clock, I'd probably go for that long sleeve shirt. The mesh game bag is fire, and my favorite piece from the collab definitely is these pants and the jacket, bro. I feel like both of those go so hard that people are sleeping on them, and I feel like they will go hard in the future. This multicolored camo is fire. A lot of people are sleeping, but hey, it is what it is. Some things are just meant to be for some people, and that's just the way that thing goes. But if y'all enjoyed this one, man, slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and want to enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video, and go ahead and look at the subscriber count. We're literally like 12 subscribers away from the following 100. We're like 112 away from 18,000, I believe. Let's go ahead and get that shit within this week or next. Definitely does mean a lot, and once we get to 20,000 subscribers, I'm doing a big ass giveaway for y'all, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel